welcome back to my channel. Can you guess what this is? We're back with another unboxing. I know that I don't have a video in between unboxing Jin the Astronaut and Indigo, but life is crazy, okay? I'm so excited because I've been waiting for this. Namjoon is my old bias in K-pop, and so I did purchase quite a lot of versions, but this version I did with a little go with my friends, and I purchased like the Weverse exclusive one and like the UMS one, so I have a lot more, but I'm just gonna do this. This is the Weverse Global with the Weverse Global pre-order benefits, and I have both the book and postcard version, which is the Weverse exclusive version, and we're gonna get started. We're gonna start with the pre-order benefits. So this, I don't know what it is. I think it's a poster, but it was not included in the actual album. It was just outside of the album. Oh, it's so pretty. I can't wait to frame this like in a house. Actually the album art, like the album art that's on like the streaming services. I don't know what this other thing is. It's the photo card. Oh my god, so Hobie's had like a similar thing to this that hold the pre-order benefit. So that's actually kind of cool. Here's the photo card. It's just a little like black and white photo card. The back says Indigo, and it's in the color indigo, and this is just the frame for it. Oh, so pretty. I don't know what this is. I'm guessing this is a frame. So it's like a frame that you can like pop out, and it just says like Indigo, RM. Also, if I'm talking fast, it's because my battery is dying. Okay, we're gonna go in with the postcard version. Is this a postcard version? The Weverse one. On the cover of all of them, they just say like the Indigo, like use it while taking a shower, taking a walk, a shower, drive, coffee break. I hope I actually get a photo card, guys, because I don't know if you saw my last video. I did not. Photo card. Oh my god. Wait, these are so cool. They're like squares. Or like rectangles. Not like rounded like a photo card. And it's him standing. Cute. That's cute. Okay, and then everything else is kind of like in just like this. Oh oh my god. Wait, they're cyanotypes. Oh wait, this is too much to unpack, guys. There's this, like, I'm guessing this is the postcard. So pretty. A Jean, because you know, Indigo. And then, okay, all the songs, yeah, so all the songs are on like these little things. So this one is the Still Life one. This one is All Day. This one is, oh, this is in Korean. I forgot what this one was called. The next song that's in Korean that I forgot the name of. Closer. Change, part 2. It's baby Namjoon. Wait, that's so cute. Lonely. Hectic. What was this one called? Another one in Korean that I forgot the name of. Number 2. And then there's just a ton of cyanotype. If you know what a cyanotype is, they're sun printing. So it's like you put like something down on the piece of paper and it prints everything in the back blue, and then the item that you want printed is in white. And they're just, oh, it's just his art. And there are all the cyanotypes for each of the outfits. This is actually, like the most genius thing I've ever seen. This is an example. Wow. Now we're gonna get in to the big boy. I cut a piece off before I came up here. This is like on cardboard and the game's like slightly damaged up here. Oh my god. I got the hand one. Oh my gosh. This is the photo card. I got the hand one. I believe there's like hand, eye, ear, maybe body. I can't remember. I haven't seen them all. Oh no, this is damaged. Okay. I got a different postcard, but this one is slightly damaged. This is the postcard. Cute. It's a photo card with a jean on it. Like this. Ah, this is jean material. Can you see this? Oh my god, that's genius. Okay. This is the CD. It's just a pretty basic one, but it's very non-June. Beauty. Our cyanotype. I love this. Record of RM indigo from the colors of nature, human, etc. Documentation of my use in the moment of independent phase. An honest, admirable record with shades at the last archive of my 20s. Beautiful. Postcard. This is like a little poster. So beautiful. Like, oh. Okay, photo book. Here it is. This is so pretty. Sorry guys. See like an in-depth video. This is not the video for you. But more cyanotypes, the lyrics, lots of cyanotypes. Pretty much just like cyanotypes and then lyrics. And then there's like few pictures of him here and there. Cyanotypes are just so beautiful. Like the fish one and the lyrics. Like, so pretty. Oh, honestly don't know what to say. That was... Everything in this album is just so thought out and it just makes sense. Like, it makes sense. All of it. And it... Honestly, album of the year. It's so great. It was so good. It's really nice to see all of like their independent parts as well, and like they all just... I don't know. I'm just really excited to see what the future holds for the other members. Like, I honestly just think this album deserves a Grammy, and so does, honestly, that's all I gotta say. Just fantastic. So yeah, I have no words. I can't explain it. It just means a lot to me, this album, and Namjoon. And again, this album, lots of meaning in it. So that's what I have for you guys today. Please go stream Indigo, please stream The Astronaut, stream Jack in the Box, stream Proof, stream Yet to Come, Grammy nominated Queen, all of it. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stream Indigo. Goodbye.